bacon sesame slaw sliders. Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's me again. Most of you know me as Rashad Jennings, NFL running back with the New York Giants. Some of you may know me as Dancing with the Stars 24 champ. But some of you may know me because I won the Super Bowl recipe playoff champ on the Rachael show.
Rashad!
Hey! Here's the proof. Today I'm bringing to you my most famous recipe, the bacon sesame slaw sliders. Now this is a good recipe for a good football game. It's quick, it's simple, and it's finger food. So let's get started. Take this ground beef, 2 tablespoons, Worcestershire sauce. I add a little pinch of garlic, some salt and pepper. We'll mix that up. Coat this with olive oil. All right, so we got 6 patties. I'm gonna watch that, and in the meantime, we're gonna make the caramelized onions. 1 yellow onion, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a ½ teaspoon of coconut sugar to that. And then also top it off with a ½ teaspoon of salt. And that's gonna really help with the texture and the flavor and pull that in. It's gonna take about 20 minutes. We're gonna make the bacon while the onions are still being caramelized. So now we're gonna make the slaw. We need red cabbage, we need shredded carrots, thinly sliced apples, sesame oil, honey, rice vinegar, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of pepper. And we're gonna mix this up. All right, we're at the home stretch. I'm gonna actually make the sliders. Some of the slaw. My favorite. This big spread jam. And voila. The oven is ready with the low broil. We're gonna put it straight in. It's about that time. Let's see what we got. Yes, indeed. Here we are. We have the bacon sesame slaw sliders. That's good. And broiling it made it perfect. The bun's not too crisp. It's not too soft. And I'm ready for some football. We'll see you next time.
Thanks, Rashad. We can't wait to see you soon.